How to fix monitor turn off and turn on randomly or else going black randomly. For this, first step, check the display cable. A damaged cable is one of the most common causes. For checking purpose, try a different cable if available. And next step, check power connection. And third step, update graphics driver. For this, search for device manager. Click it. In device manager, you need to search for display adapters and update the drivers. You can update the driver using this method or else go to the official website of the drivers, download and install it. So these are the two methods you can do it. Go to the official website, download and install the latest version. Once complete after, close it. And the next method, change refresh rate. For this, first we need to open up settings, click system settings, click display settings, scroll down and click advanced display and choose a different refresh rate and test it. You can test, you can choose the different rate and you can test the difference. If still issues remains means go with the last and final step, check power settings. For this, click control panel, viewed by category. You can make it a large category and click power option and click change plan settings. Click change advanced plan settings. In this, you have seen the display setting is that. Click it and click turn off display after. In this, we have seen a battery and plugged in is that. So we need to click restart plan default. Click yes and apply and OK. Once doing this, you need to restart your PC. After restarting, you can check it. So this is how to fix the issues. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.